We were searching a place wherein we get that experiential learning type of excursion, somewhere which is nearby to our school, wherein our kids can explore to the fullest. Then we got to know about Chukkimane Resort.
We came to an excursion to Chukkimane village resort, which was a very lovely experience because we experienced the true nature around us, but without having to go deep into a forest.
7:30ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ಎರಡನೇ ಸರಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇದೇ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಥರದ ನಾವು ನೋಡದೇ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳು, ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
When we entered Chukkimane, we was very surprised and very shocked as it was resort covered with nature.
ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಂಚಭೂತಗಳಿದ್ವು ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ವು.
This was a very enriching experience because it was a totally different type of excursion, I can say. It's not the regular excursion which children go on.
So first, when we came to the Chukkimane Resort, we were very curious about what is this new place. It's so much of greenery. So then when we came inside, we saw a lot of tents. So we were wondering whether in the night we'll be sleeping in the tents. Then something sparked in my mind. Oh my God, first time in my life, I'm going to be sleeping in a tent. I was so happy. And in the night, that was one of the most memorable experience I've ever had.
While we were entering Chukkimane, the greenery was really good. It was just so marvelous to see.
And as I observed that, I didn't see any plastics here, and we ate organic food and the food was really good.
ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಥರ ಅರಳಿ ಕಟ್ಟಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಹೊಸ್ತು. ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಅರಳಿ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. The breakfast was so delicious and organic that we ate so much.
They had a wonderful food, organic food. They enjoyed a lot.
ಒಂದು ಕಾಡು ಫೀಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಗ್ರೀನರಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ.
And it is very close with the nature. We connected with the nature. We explored many things, and with students we learnt many things.
After seeing this place, we felt like this Chukkimane is a wonderful place to explore, to do experiential learning, and the village ambience which is here and the resort completely supported the idea of excursion for our school.
And also this was a very specifically designed excursion, I can say, because children were asked to observe their surroundings and various activities were based on the surroundings. So the children were grouped into different teams, and tasks were given, and also points were awarded for each task.
After eating our breakfast, we were arrived or board at the Rangamandir, where we all got segregated into 10 different teams.
After that we went to explore about hydro plant and solar power plant.
ಶಿವನ ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೋ, ಗಗನ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಬರ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೋ.
ಶಿವನ ಸಮುದ್ರ,
and over there even we interacted with so many people and we got to know the history of it, like Gagana Chukki, and then we went towards solar power plant, and
over there they explained to us how it works briefly, and then from there we went to the hydro power plant, and over there it was really amazing, like how the water just rushed in. It was also kind of scary, but yeah.
And again we had our lunch. We had good lunch and we went to the village visit. There we learned how the people that are living there and what are their problems.
And we went and visited the villagers who were so sweet. They treated us like their own children. They gave us food. They shared all of their insights about the village, information about themselves, and we just learned a lot.
I personally feel we have never interacted with the village people in so direct way. We have never gone to ask them what's their problem, are they facing any problems, or are they enjoying their stay in the village. But today we experienced it in a very nice way, and I feel our students got a very good experience of this village stay.
When we went there, we came to know that even being uneducated, they are able to earn a lot of money. Like there was a farmer who earned 6 lakhs who only studied till 1 grade. Isn't that a very big achievement?
But this village visit, actually it was a very eye-opening moment for all our kids, wherein they came to know about 3 major problems in the village and they have come up with unique solutions for it.
Each and everywhere we go, they noticed very keenly, they have noticed, and they have experienced a lot from this Chukkimane and surroundings.
Again, we came back to Chukkimane and we had our snacks and
and now we are going to have a campfire.
So the children were given a task of presenting their observations when we came back to the resort. So all the 10 different teams presented it extremely well.
and also we had quiz regarding every activity.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಜೆಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ನು ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆ ಆಟ ಏನೇನು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು.
And even we had like fire camp in Chukkimane where we danced, we enjoyed, and
then they went to sleep in the tents and the cottages were also beautifully designed.
ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಲಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಾಟೇಜ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಚಳಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸೆಕೆಯಿಂದ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಡ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೊಂದು ಕೂಡ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ನೇಮು, ಯಾವ್ದು ನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ.
ಕೆಲವು ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು, ಆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಪುಟ್ಟದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತದು. ಆ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಆ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆನ ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂಗುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆನ ತಿನ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಕೂಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು.
So today morning we are heading back to Mysore. On the way we might visit Talkad, and there few things have been planned like treasure hunt activities.
And so overall it was a great experience. So we thank Chukkimane and even our school. Overall this entire trip so far was just an amazing experience for all of us.
The whole entire team Purna Chetana felt very happy being part of 2 days excursion here, and the ambience was at its best. We really enjoyed a lot.